I found myself in a situation where I eat only tasty food, full of fat, because that makes the food taste so good. Realizing my body started to transform in a way I didn't like it, so I had to take care of it, and I started to create a healthy cooking habit, and that changed all my perception about cooking. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Claudio, and I'm here today to share my passion for healthy cooking with you. If you are going to lose weight, or you want to learn how to cook healthy, or maybe gain muscles, or you need more energy, that's the right place for you to be. I'm going to show you the secret and how to integrate your cooking healthy habits into your daily cooking routine in order to achieve your goals. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you the very easy way to prep a meal for the coming days using a healthy cooking technique, and going to break down the calories and the price for you. So if that sounds interesting, stay connected with us and subscribe to the channel right now. This is going to take you under 15 minutes. The reason it's going to take you so little time is because I have a trick which I'm going to show you. But before I'm going to reveal the magic trick, let's talk more about those cooking healthy techniques. Throughout my years of experience, I found that some of the cooking techniques are very tasty because of the fat excess in the high heat environment, such as frying, roasting, basting, and so on. Some of them are healthier because there is no fat excess in a contact with the high heat environment, like a poaching, blanching, boiling, sous vide, and steaming. Although all this sounds really complicated at the beginning, one of my favorite healthy methods to cook a piece of fish at home remains the steaming technique, because it is cheap to use and easy for everyone to do so. But if you ask yourself why this method is so healthy for you and why you should integrate this technique in your daily cooking routine, then remember this: while cooking fish or meat, the steam remains all over the fat from the meat, whereas conventional cooking methods such as grilling, baking, or frying cook the fat into the meat. Now imagine getting rid of the fat makes the meat lower in calories and lower in cholesterol, which makes this method healthier. Now let me show you some of the steam methods you can do at home which can help you cook healthier. A papillon, French in paper, refers to a cooking technique that uses built-up steam inside of the folded piece of parchment paper that gently cook lighter proteins like fish, chicken breast, or vegetable, and is free. Bamboo steamer are great because they absorb moisture really well, keeping condensation from pulling up under the lid and dripping all over your food. Cheap bamboo steamer tend to disintegrate quickly, so it is important to look for one that's well built and extra durable, and it's easy to find one on Amazon. But the one I'm using today is the Varoma basket. Varoma is a special setting for steam cooking and steam ingredients. You can adjust it on the display via the temperature selector from the Thermomix. If you don't know what a Thermomix is, I will drop a link below for more information, so go get it yourself. Now you know my little secret. Let me show you how I use the Thermomix to make chopped broccoli salad with red pepper and pine nuts, and how I steam the salmon in the same time, under 15 minutes. Also, I'm going to break down the calories and the cost for each portion I cooked. Thermomix makes chopped salads in seconds. Here, raw crunchy vegetables are chopped together with the dressing ingredients to create a fresh, colorful salad full of vitamins and minerals. I have all the ingredients prepped, and now I will just place broccoli, red pepper, apple, any nuts, oil, lemon, honey, mustard, salt in a mixing bowl, and then chop it for 7 seconds on the speed 4, and you can serve it at the room temperature with any protein you like on the side. So if you want to try out this recipe, or you want to track the calorie, click the link below, and that will take you to the Cookie Do library, where you can find over 70,000 recipes all over the world, step by step. Now the salad only takes a few minutes to make. I have decided to steam some cauliflower florets with the salmon in the same Varoma basket for about 9 minutes. To do this, so all I had to do is just to add some water in a Thermomix bowl and press on a few buttons. So I cooked about 250 grams of salmon which has about 570 calories, and 400 grams of cauliflower, which is 150 calories. So I have figured this out through the FitnessPal app, and it's a free version. Now, when it comes down to all the ingredients for the salad, looks to be a bit complicated, but there is an easy way for me of doing it. So I can go on the cookie dough and type the recipes, and if I scroll down, I can see the calories per portion. In this way, I can track all the calories much easier, like you see, 170 calories per portion. But let me show you how much the salad cost me to make. If you have none of the ingredients at home, then I will show you how to buy it at the best price from your local supplier shop if you live in the United Kingdom. So you can do your shopping list through Cookie Dough app and then choose the supplier you like the most, such Amazon Fresh, Tesco and so on. Here I have selected all the ingredients I need for this recipe, and this is the total cost of my grocery order. Tesco 16.53, but I think it will cost me less than 16.53. Let me tell you why. Now I'm going to break down the real cost of the recipe, because as we know, we will have some ingredients left over at home, so there is no need to buy any extra. So the actual shopping list looks like this, just with a few ingredients, and that will take me down to this much. Only £6.34 for salad, £3.50 for salmon and £1 for the cauliflower. Now this looks very good to me. Let me know what do you think about the price portion below. But how much one portion will it cost for me? So let's figure that out. The total amount I have spent on this recipe is £10.84, and I divided in a 4 portion, which cost me only £2.70 per tab, and it was about 350 calories. And wow, I think that's very cheap to make and tastes very good. So I hope you'll find this video valuable, and don't forget to like or share it with someone you might want to help. So by saying that, this was my healthier way of my meal prep for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it as I did. So see you soon.